Yo, hola, okay, hola. You see a bad bitch coming true, yo, what's the hola? I'm in that new me and new when I roll up. I tell a valet, pop my Benz and bring the rosa. Yo, hola, okay, hola. You see me look.
Hi my baby bears, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Goldie, aka La Ruben. And if you're new here, what's the gaga, what's tea, what's good, what's up? So okay you guys, I kind of lost my voice. I'm literally just now getting it back. So these voiceovers are gonna sound horrible. But I'm gonna show you guys a super easy DIY video on how you can make the perfect gift basket for a friend, a loved one. Okay, give it to somebody. It's very cheap. It depends on like how packed you want it to be, but it's really up to you. You can make it as cheap as you want. Girl, if you got food stamps, go all out. Period. I ain't got that, but you know, if you got food stamps, go all out. Also, I've decided that I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. I'm gonna actually give you guys the basket. Actually, hold on, give me 1 second. I'll pop back up on the screen with the basket in my hand, okay? Okay. If you enter our giveaway, you guys will be in the running to win this custom-made basket by yours truly, me. In the video at the end, you'll see like everything that's on here. So if you really are interested in getting this basket, please enter in the giveaway. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like the only people that can really enter is the people that stay in Tallahassee, because that's where I stay, and I don't know how the shipping and stuff gonna do and how long it's gonna take and all that. So if you're in Tallahassee, you know, enter into the giveaway if you do want this. If you don't want it, girls, just watch the video anyways because it's me. But I will leave further details at the end of the video. So please stay tuned to the end of the video to enter into the giveaway and win it needs. Like, girl, this is custom. Please stay tuned. And if you're interested in learning how to make this basket, like very cheaply, just keep watching the video. Okay, you guys, let's get started. So for this DIY, you're going to need some tissue paper, a whole bunch of snacks, a box of any kind. I got this little container that I threw away the top to. You're going to need some foam boards. You can get that from the floral section of Dollar Tree. And then you're going to need some screwer sticks, or I think they call it bamboo sticks. I'm not really sure. But everything I got was from Dollar Tree. And, of course, a hot glue gun and some scissors. And then I also got this balloon, but you can use like a teddy bear or something like that. It doesn't really matter. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take out all of your sticks. And it's going to be really simple. All you're going to do is glue a line on your sticks with the hot glue gun and attach it to the back of your candy, chips, whatever you want to put in your basket. Once that's done, you should end up with a whole bunch of different snacks on a stick, like little popsicles and stuff like that, but it's really not that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our tissue paper and we're going to line it up. This is going to be like the distraction from the foam being shown. So what I do is I take red and yellow because I thought that was the closest to Valentine's Day because I didn't have any white or pink. And I mix them together. So I put one yellow at the bottom, one red, then one yellow, then one red, just to give it a little bit more texture and make it look a little bit more like put together and neat. After that, I get my foam pieces and then I try to fit them to fit inside of my box as best as they could. I had a lot of trial and error because I had to use the weight and gravity and all that other stuff. But other than that, all you're doing is centering your balloon or your teddy bear, whatever you're using, and then all you're doing is mirroring each candy. So I got 2 of each. When I first did this, I had a couple issues with my box standing up by itself, but then I realized it was the weight of the candy in the back, and I didn't finish. So it's going to be a lot of trial and error, and as you can see at the end, I also rearranged it because I was more equipped to what I was doing. And then I also wrapped my foam into the tissue paper so that you won't see the green at the bottom, which is something that I did off camera, so I'm just letting you guys know. And yes. So basically, like I said, all I'm doing is mirroring each candy. And then I also cut some of the screws so that the other ones can fit. Basically, the point is to try to hide the sticks as much as possible to make it look as full as possible, with zero to no, like, or just to little to no space in between each candy, so that they can't see your gaps and stuff like that. So I did that, and then, like I said, I eventually rearranged it because I didn't like it the way I had it the first time. And you'll see that in the final look, or whatever the case may be. But it's basically just figuring out where you want to put things, or whatever the case may be.
You're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll be notified for the next time I post my videos. I'm actually going to be posting a couple videos this week until Valentine's Day, because I did film some other things and I want to clean it up. So then I will post it hopefully either tomorrow or the day after. But I love you guys so much. So be expecting at least 2 more videos by the end of this week. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye.